Hello students, now today in this lecture we will discuss about the topic measurement of length. Students, what is length? Length is defined as the distance of separation between 2 points in space. Okay? Distance of separation between 2 points in space. Now, let us suppose we have 2 points, point A, point B. Okay, now if anybody moves from position A to position B, okay, in this case distance traveled by body from A to B is length of AB. Okay, this distance traveled by body is length of AB, length AB. Now, what is SI unit? What is CGS unit? Students, SI unit of length is meter. Okay, SI unit of length is meter. Now, CGS unit of length, okay, centimeter. Now, we have some bigger units of length. We have another smaller units of length. So, in this lecture, we will start from first of all smaller units of length. Now, as smaller unit we have centimeter, millimeter, micron, nanometer, also kilometer. Okay, now these are smaller units of length, and we will compare these smaller units of length to meter because meter is SI unit. Now, 1 centimeter equals 1 upon 100 meter, and we can write 10 to the power minus 2 meter, not 10 minus 2, 10 to the power minus 2. Now, 1 millimeter equals 1 upon 1000 meter, we can also write 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, and 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Now, 1 micron means 10 to the power minus 6 meter. Now, nanometer, we can write 1 nanometer equals 10 to the power minus 9 meter. And 1 kilometer means 1000 meter, and we can also write 10 to the power 3 meter. So these are smaller units, and these are relation between smaller unit to meter. Now, bigger units of length. We have astronomical unit, light year, parsec. Okay, all are bigger units of length. Okay. Now, what is astronomical unit? Students, astronomical unit is mean distance between sun and earth. Okay. Now, 1 astronomical unit, 1 AU equals 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Okay. Now, next bigger unit of length, 1 light year. Actually, this light year is unit of distance. Okay, and is equals to 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter. We can also write 9.5 into 10 to the power 15 meter. And what is light year? Student, light year means distance traveled by light. Okay, distance traveled by light in vacuum in 1 year. Okay, total distance traveled by light in vacuum in 1 year is called 1 light year, and 1 light year equals 10 to the power 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter. Now we have another unit, parsec, and this 1 parsec is equals to 3.26 into light year. Okay, so we can multiply 3.26 into 4.46, 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter. So we have 3.08 into 10 to the power 16 meter. It means 1 parsec equals 3.08 into 10 to the power 16 meter. So these are bigger units of length: astronomical unit, light year, parsec, etc. Okay, and centimeter, millimeter, micron, nanometer, kilometer, all are smaller unit of length. Now we will discuss definition of 1 meter. Okay, now we will discuss definition of 1 meter. Actually, student, 1 meter is defined as length of path traveled by light. Okay, length of path traveled by light in vacuum in specific time interval. स्टूडेंट, मतलब ये कि वैक्यूम में अगर कोई भी लाइट, ठीक है, जो भी डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल कर रहा है, जो भी पाथ ट्रेवल कर रहा है, ठीक है, कितने टाइम में, वो टाइम है ये स्पेसिफिक टाइम इंटरवल, ये 1/299792458 सेकेंड। मतलब ये कि इस पर्टिकुलर टाइम में कोई लाइट वैक्यूम में कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करता है, वही क्या है, 1 मीटर है। ओके, okay, now so in this lecture we have learned about definition of length, CGS and SI unit, bigger and smaller units, okay, and in last definition of 1 meter, definition of 1 light year, etc. Okay, thank you.